Hello, this is Rajkumar Harishchander Agarwal. We are Camron Group. We are specialized in pre-engineering and civil work, especially building factories, land banks. This course was recommended to me by one of my friends, Srinivas Chaudhary. So when I came over here, there were some doubts. How will be the course? What will they teach? What we are going to get it from here? But honestly, this is awesome. Yogesh sir is dynamic. I recommend everybody they should join this course and do at least Burning Desire course for 2 days. And takeaway is that I have a new vision now that might scale up like anything.